XCG is the manufacturing of agricultural drones in China. So we invited the XCG drone since from 2017 in Zambia in Africa was the first one to testing the full armyworm solution. And look at this solution. All you can using drones to fix. We proved in past 7 years. This drone, the P100, recharging only need about 10 to 15 minutes charging full. So you only need 6 batteries. You can make a power cycle into the field. One kind of this drone can compare with 3 small drones. You can see a huge tank. And normally we're using 2 drones flat together. You can imagine. Our biggest spraying area, that is for Zambia, 1,200 hectares only cost 10 days. You can imagine. And we're using small drone, that is small drone fleet. When we're using the bigger drones, 1,000 hectares, maybe just 4 days. Normally, when you're using drones, you can save the 30% chemical and the 90% water. About the yield, like see, when you're using tractor spray for the soybeans, almost loss of 15% to 20% about the soybeans by the wind damage. When you whole season using the drones, you can imagine you save the yield about 15 to 20% yield more. 2017 full armyworm attack Zambia. And the small-scale farmers, they cry because no any good solution. Tractor cannot be did. Even aircraft cannot be did. So I think about maybe the drone solution more better than we import the drones, first generation in Zambia, even Africa, we testing. You see the full armyworms whole life only 32 days. But in these 32 days can give to you over 2,000 eggs. Falling the windy can fly about 100 kilometers. Daytime hiding in the under the ground, hiding in the steam. That's why in the daytime when you spray, that is wasting the chemical, wasting time, wasting labor, wasting everything, and useless. So in past 6 years we tested. 1, using systematic pesticides. 2nd, try spraying in the night because full armyworm come out at about 19:40 p.m. They start come out. Using the drone spray from the top, then spraying effect much more good. And to be frankly, using drone technology, you can't 100% fix the full armyworm. You just using your technology, delay they give to you more eggs in shortest time. This is what we did. We have a lot of customers, they know my contact number, and even we have a website. They send email, make phone call by WhatsApp, even contact my secretary. Then we arrange the whole schedule. In the rain season and even the winter season, we make all schedule for the customer.